Sleep Host, and here's a little reason why. I've had about 3 surgeries in the last 2 months, just taking care of myself with some sports injuries I've had. So still one of the last remnants of the my hand surgery and shoulder surgery, so getting back in action and be able to work on bikes again. I just want to give a big thumbs up to my team for holding it down, handling everything while I've been recuperating. So we're going to be hitting hard in 2021 with videos, so we're going to send it off with at least one more in 2020, and we're just praying for this year to end on a good note. So we're going to go and take a look at a bike we just painted. We do specialize in custom paint work, amongst other things, bike sales, refurbishing, powder coating, you name it. We are really involved in the power sports industry, and we want to just give everybody a taste of things that we do on the daily. So we're going to switch up our format a little bit in the near future and have like a daily running of videos and what we're doing each day. So we're going to just stroll to the shop and we're going to take a look at the bike that we just painted. It's a 2000 Harley Davidson Softail, 2015 I believe the year is. It might even be newer. I have to look at the paperwork. We did a paint job on this bike. So customer saw a bike with a cool paint job that he liked that, I guess at a bike night or something, and he wanted us to reproduce that onto his bike. So that's what we did. You know, we love doing stuff original and unique, but sometimes customers have an idea of what they want, and it's our job to make that happen, bring it into reality. It's not so much what we want all the time, it's what our customer is looking for, their end project, and I think this one came out exceptionally. So we do have a lot of winter projects stacking up. We've got a ton of bikes outside. Just because it's so hard to work here, all the winter projects are dropping off and the weather has been crappy. So we do have another Harley being disassembled, getting ready for a custom paint job right here. We've got 2 of our techs working on that one, and many others that are right behind it that'll have upcoming videos. Turbo bike still here. Haven't worked on it because of the hand issue, so I hope to get back up on filming on that very soon. So let's go out back behind the shop. We're gonna do a little video walk around, take a look at that paint job, tell us what you think, and give us a call if your paint or motorcycle needs. Okay, so here is the bike. It is a Harley Davidson Softail Heritage. This bike was originally just plain vivid black. So if you come on in, take a look at it. These are the multicolored Ghosted in Flames, and we did the Harley Davidson as a badge with no wording in it, which seems to be very popular. You see that a lot more and more. The bikes have Harley Davidson written on them all over the place, and the clean, simple badge seemed to be a really popular thing that people have been doing instead of stretching out the script and the wording inside of it. So very simple job. We just basically 3 tins off the bike, perform the paint work that the customer wants. Now we used a pearl black base coat, so in the sun it really gives a little bit more pop than the plain vivid black, and these transparent candy colors that are the Ghost Flames really pop out when the sunlight hits it. So this is a very simple, basic job for us, but you know, that's a lot of what people are looking for. Not everybody's looking to go over the top with big wheels, air ride, and a lot of the crazy stuff that the industry does offer. You know, a lot of customers are more into riding, more into keeping their bike clean, classy. When they go to their meetup with their friends, they want their bike to stand out, but they don't want to stand out too much. So we got a lot of those customers, and we rise to the occasion, whatever they're looking for. But this is a beautiful, clean job. You know, I think we nailed the job, exactly what the customer is looking for. So if you're looking for something unique, something that you've seen, something you want to reproduce, you want to give your bike a facelift, whether it be paint, whether it's powder coating, chrome, aftermarket accessories, here at Tricked Out Cycles, we're here to help. And we do have a full showroom full of bikes that are available for sale. We have financing available, so please give us a call. And if you're looking for a specific bike, we do buy it. We will find you the bike that you're looking for at the price that's competitive, and we'll be able to give you financing on that. So keep posted for all your motorcycle needs. Make sure you check us out, Tricked Out Custom Cycles. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and we're gonna have a lot more interesting, involved videos, more and more as 2021 comes in and as I heal up. So Tricked Out Cycles, we'll see you next time around.